Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today I'm in Moab, Utah, and I thought I would just do a quick review of the city market. It's located right inside of town. There is a gas station in the parking lot. Right now unleaded is $3.19, which is pretty good price. There is a laundromat right across the street that works out really well. And then there is a kind of like an outfitter's sporting goods store. I had to go there 2 years to get a regulator for my stove. So they have a lot of different stuff. They do offer free filtered water. They'll fill up your filtered water. Just to kind of get a little bit of bearing of where we're at. Right that way is Arches. And we're kind of sitting down right here on the main street that goes through 191, that goes through Moab. But the city market has just about everything except for alcohol. So bring your alcohol to Utah, because I don't even know where to tell you to go get it. I guess a liquor store, but I haven't seen one. And it's Sunday, so I've been told I don't think there's any open. If that's a concern for you, bring your own alcohol. This city market has a lot of fresh vegetables, a great meat counter, really like for the camper, high-end type food. A lot of USB prime beef and pork, and they have a great deli, and I highly recommend it. So I'm just going to walk around this other side. Pretty much has everything you look for. It did not have pistachio nuts. I was looking for pistachios and could not find them. Something I enjoy for like an after dinner dessert. On this trip I'm kind of doing a full keto, and I'm using that as kind of like a treat, watching TV to keep my mouth busy. But here's our little it's called Gearheads camp store. And then if you have to do any type of maintenance, there is a hardware store and like a Dollar General just down like 2 lights and to your left. You can see it off the side of the freeway. Side-by-sides are legal in town. You do have to be plated, insured, and have blinkers. That was the biggest thing. My X3 did not have blinkers, so I did not feel comfortable driving it on the road. During the Rally on the Rocks, I understand one day they impounded 10 vehicles, 10 side-by-sides for not having plate or registration. I'm sure that wasn't just blinkers, but I'm all street legal except for the blinkers here, so I thought I would just do the police escorts out. Back to the adventure truck, get it all packed up, and we're heading out to I think I'm going to hit Gooseberry Mesa and right outside of Hurricane. So that's going to be it for now. If you want to follow these types of adventures and journeys, please like and subscribe. Have any comments or questions, something I can help out with, hit me up in the comments below. That's going to be it for now. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm Tim Roble, and I'll catch you here next time.